Hi, good afternoon or good morning, wherever you are in the world. My name is Simon from Dazzle Commercial Cleaning, based in London. We're an office well-being company, but also primarily looking after office commercial cleaning. We wanted to create a recommendation video for Martin and the freshOps crew. Realistically, I'll be totally upfront with you. It's really moved our business on progressively in the right way. Our major issues that we wanted to solve within the business was time and attendance of cleaners. So making sure they turned up to site at the right shift at the right time, but also actually making sure they actually did check in on site and they actually did attend that particular site. The GPS addition with inside the application of freshOps really helps that out. We know where our staff are at any one time now in London, which is fantastic. So it's like a game of chess. We can move cleaners extremely quickly between shifts. Whereas before, I used to do that on a manual spreadsheet, which I thought was, progressive at the time, which became a huge headache, as you can imagine, when you've got more and more clients coming on board. So since we've implemented freshOps, that's really kind of made us more competitive as a business overall. But not only that, what's really sort of put us into the sort of 21st century is doing payroll extremely quickly. So we can download a spreadsheet extremely quickly, and we can basically run payroll within, probably half an hour. That would have taken us probably 3 hours before to kind of work out. So I can wholeheartedly recommend Martin and the freshOps crew. If you've got a commercial cleaning business and you're looking at scaling, you need freshOps undoubtedly.